Hello everyone, I will show you how to install Apollo.io extension. First of all, open Apollo and login, and after you logged in, now tap on your profile from here and scroll down and tap on LinkedIn extension option, tap on it, and after that he will direct you to Chrome Web Store, and from here you need to install Apollo.io, tap on add to Chrome, and after that tap on add extension, and after that will be downloaded from here, and after you download it you will find it right here in the extensions from here, as you see, and you can start using it. And basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.